Okay guys, so here we are inside of Facebook. Now I'm going to show you how we can actually set up our Instagram stories ad. So to start with, we're just going to come up here to the right hand side and we're just going to come down to create adverts, and we're just going to click on it like that. So to do this, we're just going to set up a traffic ad. So we're just going to click on traffic, and we're going to want to make sure we name this campaign. I'm just going to keep it like that for the moment, but you can call it whatever you want to, just so when you look at it you can easily tell what campaign you're actually running. So I'm just going to click continue, and as we always do, we're going to want to give our ad set a name. So again, much like the campaign, we're going to want to name it something so we can easily identify who we are targeting here. So you might want to name this after the location you're targeting or the type of people you are targeting, but for now I'm just going to keep it as it is, the default, and we're just going to move on. So now we're going to come down here to locations, and here's where we're going to choose the location of who we are targeting. So depending on what type of business you're in, you may have a brick and mortar store, in which case you might want to just target around your location, a certain miles radius around your location. If your company does business all over the country, then you might want to target a whole country, and if your company does business all over the world, then you might want to target multiple different countries. So you know your business better than anyone, so you can choose here where you want to target. For now, I'm just going to target the United States. I'll also add the United Kingdom in there as well, like so. Like I said, you know your company better than anyone, and you know where you do business best, so just target those countries or those specific areas. Now if you want to target just your location, all we have to do is just type in that location. So I'm just going to say Dallas for now, so just click on Dallas, and here we can change the mile radius that we're actually targeting. So at the moment we've got a 25 miles radius around Dallas, but we can make this smaller if we wanted to, so we could just target 10 miles around Dallas, or we can take that all the way up to 50 miles if we wanted to. So that's how you would do that. We can also exclude an area around Dallas, so if I wanted to exclude Fort Worth, we could also do that, like so. So now we're going to move on, and we're going to change the age of what we are targeting. And again, much like location, you're going to know your business better than anyone, and you're going to know your perfect customer and what age range these customers tend to be. So here's where you're going to want to change that. At the moment it's 18 to 65, and that's quite broad, but we can make that smaller just by closing that gap like so. So we can change it just from 30 to 50, or we could just 21 to 50. I'm just going to bring that a little bit shorter like that, and we're going to move on. So again, much like age, we can target just men or just women, or we can target both. I'm just going to keep it on all. And here we can change the languages of who we're targeting. So if you only want to target people who can speak English, you just type in English, like so. And if you want to target someone who speaks a different language, you can also do that by typing in the language, like so. So now we're going to come down to detailed targeting. So now we can target people based on their demographic, interests and behaviors. So this is going to be extremely important for our Instagram story ad. So say for example you were a restaurant, then here you would enter restaurants that relate to your restaurant. So if you're a steak restaurant, you would enter all of the top steak restaurants in here and start targeting people based on the restaurants that they like, that relate to your business. And this is exactly the same for any business. We're just going to target people based on their interest and likes. So depending on what business you're in, you're going to want to target people who like businesses that relate to your business. So for me, for this example, I'm going to want to target people who are interested in entrepreneurship, and then I'm going to want to target, so I'm going to narrow this audience and target people who are big in the entrepreneurship niche. So I can target Tai Lopez, so we just hit suggestions and it's going to give us a list of suggestions, and so I can target Grant Cardone, Gary Vaynerchuk and Tony Robbins. We could narrow that audience even further if we wanted to, but we could also exclude people. But I like it how it is, so we're just going to move on from this. But I recommend you spend a little bit of time going through and seeing what works for your business. Just keep an eye on this estimated daily reach here on the right hand side. We want to try and get this reach as high as we possibly can, and also these link clicks as high as we possibly can. So if you add someone and that decreases the amount of reach and link clicks we're going to want to remove that person from the interests. Okay guys, so we're just going to move on to placement, and this is extremely important for Instagram story ads. So we're going to come down here to edit placements, and we're going to remove Facebook, and we're going to come down to Instagram, and we're going to check off feed, and we're going to check stories, like so. And that's going to make this ad just appear on Instagram stories. So extremely important for setting up our Instagram story ad. And as you can see, once you check this Instagram stories ad, it's going to uncheck all of these boxes. As if we're creating an Instagram story ad, we can only use Instagram stories. So just make sure that box is checked. We're going to move on now, and we're going to come down to daily budget. So we're going to change the daily budget, and we're just going to use $5 per day. As $5 is going to give us a good amount of information to base our ad on and see if it's actually worth continuing with, or if we should change our targeting a bit more and make it a bit more targeted. So if we get lots of good link clicks and lots of good traffic from this $5, then we know our targeting's good, and then we can increase the amount of money that we spend. But if we get hardly any link clicks from this ad, then we know that we need to change up our targeting a bit more. So I recommend only starting with a low amount a day, $5 a day, and then we can begin to slowly, gradually scale that amount of money that we're spending each day up. Okay guys, so now we're going to move on to the actual ad level of our ad. So we're just going to hit continue. We can also name our ad level, so feel free to do that if you want to. So here's another important bit. We're going to want to use our Instagram account for this Instagram story. So you're going to want to click this box here and check your Instagram account. If you haven't already set up your Instagram account with your Facebook ad accounts, you're going to want to set that up. It's simple to do. Just click on this button here and just enter all of your information, and that will link the two together. So now we're going to come down to format, and we have a choice here. We can either use a single image or we can use a single video. Now you can choose whatever one you want, but keep in mind that video normally performs better in ads. It converts a little bit better, so keep that in mind when you are creating your Instagram stories account. So keep that in mind when you are creating your Instagram stories ad. So when we're creating our Instagram stories image or video, we're going to want to create something that grabs people's attention, also has a call to action, and the call to action on Instagram stories is swipe up. And by swiping up, the user gets sent off of Instagram onto our page that we want to send them to. So that would be our landing page. So here is where we want to actually take the user's information. We actually want to capture them as a lead. And capturing leads is extremely important for any business, as it allows us to remarket to these potential leads at a later date, and we can directly contact these leads and no extra cost to our business. So again, leads are extremely important for our business, and normally we capture leads in the form of email addresses. So with Instagram stories and Instagram in general, we don't want to sell directly on the platform, as this normally doesn't work. And this is down to a couple of reasons. One, because people on Instagram don't really want to come off of Instagram, and if they're coming off of Instagram, they certainly don't want to be buying directly from Instagram. And the second reason is the browser actually inside of Instagram is pretty poor. So again, this puts people off buying things directly on Instagram. So we want to keep that in mind when we're actually setting up our Instagram stories ad. We want to send these users off of Instagram onto our landing page to capture an email. So again, we can later remarket to them at a later date. So to get people to give us their email address, we're going to want to give them something in return, something for free. And this normally is something that comes in the form of an ebook or maybe even a webinar. So depending on what business you're in, you can get them to sign up and give us their email address by signing up and actually entering a giveaway. So we can run some kind of competition, and to enter, all they have to do is enter their email address. So that's a great way to capture a lead, is by running a competition. And that's going to get us some great conversions. So keep that in mind when you're actually creating your Instagram stories ad. Now, like I said, the single video normally converts better. So depending on what business you're in, if you're a restaurant, you could create some kind of promotional video that showcases your food. Like I said, it's worth spending a bit of time either on your image or your promotional video, coming up with something creative that's going to grab people's attention. Now keep in mind you only have 15 seconds for this ad, whether it's a single image or a single video, you only have 15 seconds. So you want something that's going to grab people's attention, get to the point of actually what you want to talk about, and then get them to swipe up, which will then send them to our landing page. So 15 seconds, you want to keep your video or your image under 15 seconds because that's all we have. Now another thing, and this goes for all social media, we want to create for the platform that we're using. In this case, it is Instagram. So when we're creating our video or our image, we're going to want to make sure that it's actually set up to the right aspects. Otherwise, our image and our video is going to be cropped out. And the correct aspect ratio for this is actually 9:16. So keep that in mind when we're actually creating our video. You don't want any of your video or your image to be cropped out, so keep this image ratio in mind, because if it's too big, it's going to get cropped out. So if we come down now, we're just going to come to the website URL, and here is where we're going to enter our landing page URL. Now it's up to you whether you want to try and sell directly on Instagram, but in my experience that doesn't normally work. You want to use Instagram stories as a way of capturing leads. Now do keep in mind, if you enter affiliate links here and try to get direct affiliate link sales, your account could become banned. Facebook doesn't want you directly sending people to affiliate links. So keep that in mind. If you do want to do that, then your account could become banned. And here's the call to action. We're just going to want to keep that on learn more. And there we go, guys. That's how easy it is to just set up our Instagram stories ad. So simple, right guys? And all we have to do now, guys, is just come down here and click on confirm, and it'll just run us through the payment information. Takes no more than 10 seconds. And that's all there is to setting up Instagram stories ads. Really simple, right guys?